Ice Bear needs latte. Ice Bear bought these legally. Ice Bear has too many secrets. Ice Bear has never seen a smaller human. Ice Bear settled that out of court. Ice Bear has ninja stars.
Enough, you're being kind of a dingo.
Ice Bear ninja stars.
Aw, why must people hate?
It wasn't that bad.
Ice Bear will hunt them down.
Perfect!
Don't ditch Ice Bear. Ice Bear will share his secrets. About other bears mostly.
The door's locked. Quick, give me a coat hanger and some gum. I know when you'll... That works too. Ended.
Ice Bear will never share again. Ice Bear will not bless you.
We just found out that our bro is freaked out by cucumbers.
Nothing.
Ice Bear has fought personal demons. Years of therapy. Ice Bear drone, not technically legal.